Hello guys, today I'm here to share how I apply my eyeliner on daily basis. First of all, draw a thin diagonal line to angle the wing. The length of the wing is up to you. Then start applying liner from the inner corner of your eye and work towards the outer corner. Join the eyeliner stroke from the upper lash line with the outer edge and then fill the gap. The liner should be a little thicker towards the outer corner of the upper lash line and thin as possible towards the inner corner. And then if you want, you can also try my personal hack to apply eyeliner along the lower lash line for a pretty look. Isn't it beautiful? You can apply it on both of your eyes. Once you do so, then you can apply the kajal in the inner corner of your lower lash. After you apply it on both of your eyes, you can see the magical look and you can flaunt it as you like it. Now it's done. Darken it. The darker look is more beautiful. Once you are done, you can flaunt it as you like it. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe.